Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to download V1's pictures or videos or songs or voice messages directly from your WhatsApp to your phone after viewing it. So in case your friends send you any file, whether V1's or photos or pictures or anything or video or voice notes, if you want to download such to your device, so let me show you how you will do. So you open your WhatsApp first, so you go to that friend's file. So all you do is to select the file. After that, after it opens, click on the three dots over here. You know what I'm trying to, so click on the three dots over here. Can you see it? Sorry, these three dots over here. So after clicking it, you click on more. You click on the more. After that, click on export chat. So click on include media. So after that's going to load up some destinations. So you click on phonics. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So when you finish clicking on phonics, so it will bring all the files and chats and everything you have with the person. So you just select it and unzip it, and then you will download it. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So thanks for watching. If you gain any value from this video, please kindly subscribe and like our video so that people that are looking for this kind of content will come across it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.